What if I told you the biggest reason you're not rich yet isn't bad luck or lack of knowledge, but you putting things off? Think about it. How many times have you said I'll save next month, I'll start that business soon, or I'll figure out my finances when life calms down? Here's the cold truth. Life doesn't calm down, and money doesn't wait. Every day you delay, every opportunity you skip, and every day you never act on is silently destroying your financial future. Not all at once, but piece by piece, quietly, invisibly, and relentlessly. And if you don't stop it, one day you'll wake up and realize you didn't run out of money, you ran out of time. But it doesn't have to end like that. So in this eye-opening video, I'll show you exactly how procrastination is sabotaging your financial success and how to break free from it starting today. Alright, let's kick things off with the hidden cost of procrastination. Procrastination isn't about being lazy or distracted. It is a silent and sneaky thief. It doesn't take your money all at once. It steals your potential one delayed decision at a time. Let's do a quick example. Imagine you plan to invest $200 per month, but you keep delaying it for just one more year because you're not ready. Well, guess what? That 1 year of delay could cost you tens of thousands of dollars in compound interest over the next years or even months. So, not investing doesn't just mean staying where you are. It often means falling behind. Now, think bigger. That business you wanted to start but never did, that skill you wanted to learn but kept putting off, and that debt you were going to tackle someday. Procrastination turns dreams into regrets. But why we procrastinate, especially with money? Let's break this down. It is not because we don't care. It is because money decisions can be emotionally overwhelming. Budgeting feels restrictive, investing feels risky, starting a business feels intimidating, and facing your bank account after a bad month feels like shame. So what do? We delay, we distract ourselves, and we tell ourselves the classic lie. Future me will handle it. But future you? Future you is stuck cleaning up to this mess. Here's the truth. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. Not because you're incapable, but because life keeps piling on more complexity. The financial snowball effect. Have you ever heard of the snowball effect? It is the idea that small actions over time can build into something huge. The same applies to procrastination in the worst way. Delay 1 month of budgeting, minor. Delay 6 months, you're probably overspending hundreds without realizing. And if you delay a year, now you're in debt. Delay 5 years, you're living paycheck to paycheck with zero savings, no investments, and a constant feeling of financial pressure, all because of small decisions you kept postponing. But here's the good news. The same snowball effect works in your favor if you just take small and consistent action starting now. So let's talk about how to break this cycle. Here are 4 practical steps to beat procrastination and start building real financial success. Step 1. Make it stupid simple. Don't aim to create a full financial plan in one day. Just write down one small goal. Track my spending for 3 days. That's it. Step 2. Set money on autopilot. Automate your savings and set up automatic transfers and auto investments. Your habits should be working for you while you sleep. Step 3. Create a why list. List 3 powerful reasons why you want financial freedom. For example, to help your family, to travel, or to never stress about money again. And look at this list every morning. Step 4. Forgive your past self and move forward. Yeah, maybe you should have started earlier. But guess what? The second best time to start is now. What you are really losing. Here's the part no one tells you. Procrastination doesn't just cost you money. It causes you peace of mind. It creates this low-level stress that never goes away, that feeling when you wake up and remember the bills, the anxiety when someone asks you about your savings, and the guilt when you realize another year passed and nothing changed. But when you start taking action, even tiny steps, something shifts. You feel proud, you feel in control, and you start seeing possibilities instead of problems. And that is what beating procrastination gives you. Power.